Hello, and you're watching AF 24/7 right now. 10th Global Literary Festival has just commenced, and trust me, these are the festival which provides, opportunity to all the students from different school, whether it's journalism, whether it's arts. And right now, I am standing in a studio where the students of School of Hospitality have prepared some food items, or I would say cuisines, which are inspired from different countries. So let's come and we'll see that which cuisine or which food item is inspired from which country, and what was the idea behind those dishes. So hi, may I know your name?
My name is Nikhil Gupta.
Okay, Nikhil. So can you tell me about this dish, what it is about?
This is Albanian donuts filled with the jam, and this is a very nice dessert.
Okay, so does it have any Indian effect, or have you given some Indian touch to it, or just like pure recipe which is inspired?
Recipe from the country where it's organized.
Okay, okay, what it is?
It's a turkey doner kebab, and it's a very famous dish from the Turkey.
So how long does it took you to prepare this?
Actually, we made the pita breads yesterday, and today we do all the preparation for the filling, like chicken, like we do the chopped all the veggies, and we filled it and ready it today.
Okay, that seems really amazing.
Chicken.
Okay, this is already covered, so we'll jump to the next one. Okay, so what it is looking very colorful and very nice.
Yeah, these are the chocolate balls from the Brazil.
Inspired from Brazil. Amazing. So they taste like. Is there any Indian dish? It is similar. The taste is similar to that.
Every dish you were looking here is not modified. We didn't do anything from the Indian touch,
Okay.
as the dish made from the country as well.
From its original country. Okay. So this seems like.
This is a carrot cake, and the main flavor from cinnamon and the carrot,
Oh, that's really amazing.
and the rising agent which is used egg.
I'm seeing something like, we have cakes already, cupcakes, but with carrot touch and all that. This is something really new. Okay, so what it is?
This is falafel.
Falafel. Actually, I guess in India we have falafel. There is some food item named falafel. So is it similar to that, or is it completely different? Okay. So
It's like
what are the ingredients you have used?
We use the chickpeas in it. That is the base, and some spices, and we fried it.
Okay, so this is not sweet. Okay.
It's a snack, and the serve is with the hummus.
Wow, yaar, it seems so tempting. Okay, what it is?
This one is, as you see here.
Okay. It's written Pakhali here from Georgia.
Yeah. This is pakali from the Georgia, and this is garnished with the pomegranates, and this is made up of spinach.
Okay, isn't it giving that touch of pani puri that we have in India?
Yeah.
It is. Yeah,
Little
it
bit.
seems like that. Okay, what it is?
This is a pancake filled with the whipped cream and jam.
Okay, so all the dishes were like, this seems very delicious, and so these were the students of School of Hospitality, and it's not over here. It has just started, and we'll see you in the next video with different perspective, with different initiative of the students. With camera journalist Diksha Toshu Divakar, AF 24/7.